Wow, this is so good. Like, honestly, it's so good. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Terza and I appreciate you for clicking on today's video. I wanted to share with you guys my new favorite way to stay in my calorie deficit. If you've seen my last few videos, I've been trying to go on walks and eat better and stay in the caloric deficit. And I am somebody who loves iced coffee. Like, I am an iced coffee lover, especially a caramel iced coffee. And iced coffees have so much sugar in them typically, and they're just not the best for you. So I have partnered with Javvy in today's video to bring to you guys a way better solution to still hit that iced coffee craving, but it's way better for you. So thank you so much, Javvy, for sending me some coffee to try. This is their protein coffee in the flavor caramel. If you go to Javvy's website, they have so many different flavors of iced coffees to choose from. I chose caramel because that's my go-to, but they have so much more that you can scroll through, and I'm sure that you can find something that you'll like. This is way better than typical iced coffee because there's no added sugar in here. There's no stevia. There's no artificial sweeteners. It's 100% real coffee and it's made with whey protein. Each scoop only has 70 calories, which is amazing, way less than typical iced coffee. And it also has 10 grams of protein in each scoop, which is so good. It's always good to get in that extra protein, especially in the morning, to help you stay full and help with those cravings throughout the day. Javvy also includes prebiotics and MCTs, which are also really, really good for you. So this is the perfect solution for your morning iced coffee craving because you're getting in that protein, you're keeping your calories low and your sugar low, and you're still hitting that iced coffee craving. So let's go make some. So here's the finished product. It looks so good and flavorful. Look how pretty. This has been my go-to daily drink, so I've tried it before, but I'll try it with you guys here today. It's so good with the cold foam and cinnamon on top. Let's get some ASMR action. Let's take a sip. Wow. This is so good. Like, honestly, it's so good. Mmm. No notes, no notes at all. So delicious. I'm getting 10 grams of protein. You can also double up and put 2 scoops in there and you'll get 20 grams of protein. So whatever your preference is. Today I only went with 1 scoop and it's still so good and I'm still getting some protein in. I don't feel guilty at all for drinking this iced coffee because there's less than 1 gram of sugar per serving and there's only 70 calories in this. So I feel really good drinking this and it's so good. So I definitely recommend that you guys give it a try. I have a link in my description if you'd like to try some. And I just want to say thank you to Javvy for sending me this iced coffee to try. It's so good and I really appreciate this opportunity. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.